आदलो आयजीपी सुनील गर्गाच्या लाचखोरीचे केशींत हायकोर्ट कंप्लेनंट आणि ताचे मदले रिकॉर्डेड संभाषण आयकतलो. 27 एप्रिल दीस थारला. मुन्नालाल हलवाईन आयजीपी बरोबर जाल्लें फोनावेलें संभाषण पुरावो म्हूण दिलां. गर्गाचेर एफआयआर घालचो म्हूण पणजे कोर्टान ऑर्डर काडिल्ली. ताका गर्गान हायकोर्टांत आव्हान दिल्लें. गर्गान एके फसवणुकेच्या प्रकरणाचो एफआयआर करूंक लावंक 5.5 लाख घेतले म्हूण हलवाईचो आरोप.
Today hearing was kept and judge had argued, this thing advocate had argued over there, and judge they want to listen the matter, audio and all everything. So it is now kept for 27th. 27th April. 27th April.
म्हापशेच्या पुलिसांनी घरफोडी करपी दोगांक धरल्यात. तांचे कडल्यान 2 टू व्हीलर, 10 LCD, 1 आयफोन आणि 1 साऊंड सिस्टम जप्त केल्या. धरिल्लो माल 4.5 लाखां वयर. चोरांची नांवां पुंडलीक लमाणी आणि असिफ बेपारी, 22 आणि 20 वर्सांचे, दोगूय मूळ कर्नाटकाचे. बंद घरां दिसलीं काय फोडटाले. बार्देशचे एका बायलेचे कंप्लेनी उपरांत पुलिसांक दोगूय सापडले.
The following stolen property has been recovered at the instance of the accused person. 10 LCD or LED TVs make Samsung, Panasonic, Sony, UV, Acer, Philips, LG, Dectron, all worth rupees 4,50,000 approximately. 2 two-wheelers, one make Aprilia and the other Pulsar. The process of verifying ownership and other details are in progress. One Apple iPhone, one Sony sound system, Titan wristwatch, all worth rupees 95,000. During the course of the investigation, team members of this police station made efforts and based on reliable and credible information, apprehended 2 persons, namely Mr. Pundalik Lakshman Chavan Lamani, aged 22 years, resident of near Starco Bar, Anjuna, Bardes, Goa, native of Gadag, Karnataka, and Asif, son of Allah Baksha Bepari, aged 20 years, resident of near Major Bakery, Tivim, Bardes, Goa, native of Belgaum, Karnataka, who was suspected to be involved in several burglary cases reported within this jurisdiction. Further, both accused, upon sustained interrogation, admitted to their involvement in the housebreaking cases.
Give a commercial break.